guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's for the 5sauce album inspired makeup look, we're going to be doing their album Young Blood. So I did my right eye off camera, and then I just did my left eye. I showed you guys how I did it. So first thing that I did is I applied my L'Oreal, this base. I just put it all over my eye. Then I took this 104 eyeshadow palette. I'm using a lot of colors in this palette today for this look. It's hard to open. Okay, there we go. So I looked at the album cover, and it's kind of like a rainbowy kind of colors. So first I used this color kind of like in the inner corner, kind of sweeping up, and this is a cut crease, by the way. And then I used a darker yellow in the middle, or towards the middle, and then next to the yellow I used this orange color. I don't have it's not very dark orange, but this is the closest I could get to it. All of these were the closest I could get to the actual colors on their album. But yeah, and then I used this red. I didn't have the right color red, but this was the best red that I could find. And then I combined, or actually, no, first I used, next to the red, I used this color, this pink color, and then a darker pink, and then in the outer V area, I used this color right here. Now for the cut crease, I just used my Maybelline concealer, and I kind of just used a brush to kind of apply it, and then I would set it with a shadow, a shimmery shadow. I used this kind of champagne-y color here, and then I used this white for the brow bone. Then I had a long time struggling with the magnetic eyelashes, but I did get them on. You can see that I did in the video. But I used my magnetic eyeliner and then I used another brush I put all my brushes away, so I'm not going to show you them, but I used a liner brush to apply the liner. And then it dries really quickly, so I really have to keep putting the liner on the brush, but it's okay. And then I used my magnetic lashes. I used the middle one. All enjoyed today's video. See you guys Friday for their new album inspired makeup look. Bye guys!